Hi ma. In this video we draw a lion's face. Drawing lion's face is something similar to monkey's face. Okay, I am drawing a rectangle. Okay, this rectangle, to draw this rectangle, what need to be remember is you should not draw a rectangle which is taller like this. This is wrong. So if you see, not a wrong rectangle, not required for drawing lion face. So the width is less, height is more. We don't want this type of rectangle. We want a rectangle in which the the height is slightly greater than the width. Okay, now keep a dot, that is which divides equally. Here also center point, connect this center point, and here also in the height also I am dividing equally. Within this area again divide it equally like this. Okay, let us start draw lion's face. So here like this, M you do, right? The M only slowly like this. Small, the sharp, instead of sharp give a blunt hump. Okay, so what is the distance you have given here? Here also the same distance you need to give, maybe the center area if you want to keep more precise like that. Then draw a U. Then here also here U, another curve, one line. Okay, then you touch this line, then come towards it. Okay, like this. Then for the eye, how am I going to do? Draw a L. You will draw L in reverse like this, right? So instead of this L, you draw like this. Okay, like that. So I am keeping a dot which is same distance. This side, this type of L. Here, this type of L. So ensure the size must be same both the side. Okay. Then there is one small triangle here. One small line. Come this way upwards like this. So let me show you like this. One small line this way like a T letter, then slanting line and curve. So mouth area. Then here we are going to give few spots, then hair. Then okay, here eye is. Okay, the same way I am drawing it here. You can feel it's like a cat also. Yes, all the animal face will be look like the same. Only the skin pattern changes. The same face you can use it for tiger. You can use it for cat. Okay, even bear also sometimes. So if you use strips like this, then it become a tiger. And then if you leopard like that, it's up to you. So now I am going to give hair of lion. It must be more like this, in this shape, V shape. Okay, you draw S, you know how to write letter S, right? The same letter S only, like stretched. Okay, ulta S, stretched. Here also if you want you can give a spikes. Okay, let me draw in sketch pen and show you. So line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. So in this line we are drawing eyes, here ears and forehead, and here nose. The line, third line, 1 2 3 4, fourth line nose. Okay, that's it. Once the sketch impression dried over, we can erase the pencil lines and we can start coloring. Let me erase all surrounded. I am cleaning up this surrounding area. Okay, let us start coloring. So if you want, I can draw one more time without that rectangle. So you should remember the gap between the head start and ear position, and here to eye to nose, nose to the starting point of hair. So all are at equal distance. That's why we have used that rectangle. Okay. So all the rectangles must be in your mind. Okay, the rectangle lines, everything. So the distance, okay, at least you can keep a dot if you want. Slowly do. Okay. Then we need to draw the first try with pencil lines, okay, and then come with sketch pen. Okay, this line is with less hair, that's okay. Okay, let us start coloring it. So I am applying orange for the hairs. On top of the orange, I'm using light brown. For ears, I'm applying pink. Inside the ear, I'm applying pink. Then I'm using ochre yellow to the face. Slowly, neatly color it, okay? So this nose area you can apply gray. If you want, you can use black also, it's up to you. For the mouth, I'm using dark brown. That's it. Okay, ma. Try this and share your picture in my Facebook page, or if you know my WhatsApp number, you can share through WhatsApp also. Okay, bye.